Good day, everyone, especially to you, Mom Kindika. I am John Mark Sangares Mosong from BS Ed English 3. So, for today, I am going to give my reflection about the topic. So, based from the topic, I realized that visual impairment is not the same for everyone. It exists on a wide range from low visual to total blindness. And most importantly, students with visual differences have the same ability to think and learn as their classmates. But the only difference is how they receive information and how they experience the world around them. And this also means that we should never judge what they can do by how much they can see, because I believe that every learner is unique and their needs should be supported, understood, and respected in the classroom. I also realized that there are simple but powerful ways to support learners with visual impairments, like giving them materials that can help them grow and learn despite the impairments they have. And as a teacher, we can also make changes in our classroom or in our teaching strategies to really support these learners with visual impairments. And because with these adjustments, we can help them keep up with the lessons, and they can also gain self-confidence. And then finally, I realized that our goal is not just about helping them pass lesson, but we should also help them build independence, social skills, and the confidence to believe in themselves. Because it is not enough to just give them materials or discuss the lessons to them. We must also create an environment where they feel safe and valued. Because as what I have said, that every learner deserves to be respected, deserves to be understood, to be valued, and they deserve to become successful one day, despite who they are and despite the impairments they have. And that's all. Thank you for listening, and God bless everyone.